Hello everyone and welcome to the another Python tutorial on the channel Xcode Noob. In this tutorial we will be continuing with Python. So in Python we will cover the basic print statements and we will also explore the two working modes of Python, which are the script mode and the interactive mode. So let's get to work.
See, I have selected Python 3 console window, and now I will show you that what is a print statement, how does it works, what is the application of a print statement, and what is the basic syntax. So before covering those things, let's say that what is the basic application of a print statement. In Python, anything which we want to output on the result window or anything which you want to print in the output window is we can say is printed by using the print statement. Suppose that we want to output our name on the result window, then we will output that name by using the print statement. Say that if we want to output hello world on the output screen, here is the output screen, then how will we do that? Let me show you. The command will be like that print, after that parenthesis, after that inverted commas. I will tell you that what is the use of these inverted commas later, but now let's focus on the code. After that, the string which you want to print, which is the hello world. After that, we run this command, then you will see that it will just output hello world. You can see here that it just prompted us with hello world. So this is how a print statement works. Now the syntax is something like that the print command first, after that the parenthesis, and if we want to print a string, then we have to put these inverted commas, otherwise there is no need to put these inverted commas. Now what is a string? We will discuss strings in later videos, but for just now, say that strings are the combination of characters or combination of alphabets. For example, your name, my name is a string, car is a string, means that anything which contains alphabets like ABCD or characters are known as strings. Now suppose that by using the print statement we want to print a number, then there is no need to put these inverted commas. We just write the number, close the parenthesis, and we are ready to go. If we run this command here, it will just output 1 in the output screen. Let's wait for it. So here you can see that it just outputted 1 here, which is not a string, but we can also output the string type, one of the string type too, but we will discuss that in the later videos. So this was for this print statement. Now let's get to the another section of this video, which is the two working modes of Python, which is one is the script mode and the interactive mode. So let me change my window. So here I am on the another online editor of Python. Here you can see there are two parts of this window. One is the shell window and one is the main.py window. Now what is the basic difference and what are the two basic working modes of Python? The Python is the Python compiler, or we can say the Python code works in two modes, which is one is the interactive mode and another one is the script mode. So in interactive mode, any command which we want to print is just outputted, or anything which we want to do is just outputted on the press of the enter button only. But in the script mode we have to save that program first, and after then we can run that program. But in the interactive mode we just write the command and just press enter and we are ready to go. So let me show you that. So let's work on the interactive mode first. Suppose that I want to print hello world, then how will I do that? I will just write the command print parenthesis, hello world is a string, so we'll put the inverted commas, inverted comma close bracket, and then if I press enter here, you can see that it will just prompted us with hello world on the go of the enter button. And in the main.py window, here is the script mode going on. So here you can see the command which is saying that the print hello world. So if I run this main.py window, it will just also output hello world, but the difference is that in the main.py window it first saves the program and after that it runs it, but in the shell window it just outputted the command which we want to on the go of the enter button. So this was all for this video.
Like this video and subscribe Xcode Noob to get more coding tutorials.